Oh wow, friends! Check out this incredible place. Over 500...
This is where the magic begins, friends. These amazing automated systems collect the freshest, creamiest milk with... Look at that beautiful, creamy milk. This is pure quality right here.
Wow, here are we, friends. Welcome to this incredible state-of-the-art Gulab Jamun factory. This place produces over...
Check out this precision, friends. Every single drop of milk is tested for quality before it enters the factory.
Friends, look at this massive amount of fresh milk.
And here's where the real transformation begins, friends. Watch as this milk gets heated and reduced down into...
Oh wow, look at that texture. The milk is transforming into this thick, creamy khoya.
Check out that beautiful golden khoya, friends. Even with all this amazing machinery, skilled workers make sure every...
Look at that gorgeous color and texture. This khoya is the heart and soul of Gulab Jamun.
Now this is where the magic formula comes together, friends. Golden khoya, perfectly measured flour, milk powder.
Oh, look at that dough coming together. See how smooth and elastic it's becoming? That's exactly the texture we need, just perfect.
Even with all that high-tech equipment, friends, there's nothing that replaces the skill touch of an expert.
Now check out this amazing teamwork. The machine cuts perfect portions, and these skilled workers hand-roll each.
Look at that incredible technique. In just seconds, rough dough becomes a perfect sphere, smooth.
Friends, this is where things get really exciting. Look at this massive frying operation.
Oh wow, watch them transform right before your eyes. See how they're turning that gorgeous, perfect. Look at that gorgeous golden brown color. These gulab jamun are fried to absolute perfection, not too light, not...
Just look at these beauties. Perfectly round, gorgeously golden, and ready for the next amazing step.
Now friends, time to create that incredible sugar syrup that makes Gulab Jamun.
Look at that syrup bubbling away. See those gorgeous cardamom pods swirling through. The syrup has to...
Check out this pro move, friends. The syrup master is testing for that pea ear fit consistency. Wow, see how it flows in that... Oh wow, this is the moment, friends. Watch as those perfect fried balls plunge into the hot syrup. Listen to that sizzle.
Friends, look at this amazing transformation happening. The Gulab Jamun are literally drinking that delicious syrup.
The soaking time is crucial, friends. Too short and they won't be sweet enough. Too long and they'll fall apart.
Look at that transformation. These Gulab Jamun have so much...
Quality control is taken seriously here, friends. Every batch is tested. Sugar levels, texture, absorption.
Friends, just look at that perfection. The syrup has soaked all the way through. See that gorgeous texture, soft.
Now this is where modern technology really shines. These amazing automated systems package each Gulab Jamun perfect seal every time. This airtight packaging locks in all that delicious freshness and flavor. These Gulab Jamun will... Look at all these beautiful packages ready to go. Each box is carefully packed with dozens of containers. Sealed, stacked, and ready to roll. These boxes are heading out to distributors and retailers. And here's where the distribution magic happens. These trucks will carry our delicious Gulab Jamun all across the country.
And here they are, friends, right on the shelf, ready for you. After witnessing this incredible journey from farm to factory to...
Look how perfect they are. Soft, sweet, and absolutely gorgeous.
After witnessing the care and skill that went into making these,
This is what it's all about, friends. Bringing families together, creating joy, celebrating traditions. From humble milk to this masterpiece, the perfect Gulab Jamun. Soft, sweet, absolutely.
These are the real heroes, friends. Every single person, from the farmers to the factory workers to the delivery drivers, they all.
This is beautiful, friends. Sweets bring us together, families, friends, communities. Whether it's Eid, Diwali.
thank you so much for joining me. Now go enjoy some delicious Gulab Jamun. You've earned it. Until next time, stay sweet.